How's it going, guys? Back with another video. Today we have a very familiar box right here. We have a baiting hay box. This random sticker doesn't count, ignore it. And as you guys already know, my content is for educational purposes only, so take in consideration what you're seeing on this video is just for educational purposes. It's gonna be a comparison video and also a showcase of these bad boys, looking pretty clean already out of the box. We have the green Bapestas right here. Let me show you this side because it's interesting. We have the bape right there on the sole, we have the monkey right there, we have the back, we have the insoles, we have the sole itself, the tongue, the monkey on the front, and shape overall is not that bad. I have something to point out during this video, that the shape is not terrible, but of course there are some flaws on this pair. What's going to be the purpose of this video? To compare this with a called one-on-one wrap. I have both the OVO Bape collab right here, which is pretty nice. I've reviewed it in the past and it's a pretty nice, pretty different and solid shoe. And we also have not a collaboration but just the regular Bape itself, the black ones. To take in consideration this being a one-on-one or close to one-on-one wrap compared to the Dhgate quality. Starting from the back, because it's very obvious. It might not be obvious if you're walking on the street or something like that, but if you look closely, there is a shape on the back, a curved shape on the one-on-one pair, the black pair, and there is more of a square shape on the Dhgate pair. Something that if people don't know Bape, they won't really consider that, but if you know it, it might mess your head up. If you think about it, shape is not the same. It's not the same, should be curved like this, not like this. Right here you have two sides, one side and like two layers, one layer and two layers, and with the white one we can clearly see that the layers should be squared. As you can see, it makes a curve but still it's squared compared to this one, which is completely curved. I think it's very obvious. One is like literally a square shape and the other one is just a curve. Also very obvious to me is the quality of the laces, something that on wraps people don't usually take in consideration, but it makes a difference. If you're looking for something that has quality, look at the quality of the black and white and look at the quality of the green and white. I think it's obvious that these black and white panda colored laces are more fatty, more quality, and also we have something very important, the tips. So the tips here are just plastic as regular, and here we have the metal tips, metallic tips, the yellow thunder right there. I think it's quite visible, the small thunder there. So just the fact that the tip is not metallic, I would not bother if it would not have the thunder there, but the fact that the tips are not metallic and the quality overall, you can see that the green one is very thin and the other one is very fatty. It makes a difference. Also for the monkey on the front, it doesn't look on the video probably, but the other one, the black and white one, is more fatty than the green one, so even quality for that makes a difference. One thing that also bugs me a lot on the Dhgate pair is the interior. So we have this kind on Bapes, we have this kind of leather shaped interiors on the sock liner, and this one is actually leather as well, but the quality, the texture, it feels like very grainy and very like less quality, you know what I'm saying? Just soft leather, like perfectly made soft leather following the sock line, just the perfect shape, the perfect material, very soft, especially for the collab with OVO, Drake's brand. Very soft leather, like I don't know, like a couch, you know, very soft leather couch right there, and very puffy as well, very comfy, very protective, very comfy, and very stuffed, very good quality leather right there. So both of these having a very nice interior. I think if I show it like this, you can see that both are very puffy, very clear, the difference on those three, like too puffy and the green being quite puffy, but I don't know, when you touch it you understand, like you understand that it's not perfectly constructed. You can see all the waves here, and the material itself is more rough. I can put it better. And the patented leather on this is more plasticky, so it doesn't reflect as much as this one. I think even if this pair, the one-on-one pair, will be green, it will be better than the quality of this green one, you know what I'm saying? Also for the soles, one thing that I can clearly see is the fact that the soles on this one, if I squish it out, I kind of can see some sturdiness on it, and on this one, if I do the same thing, I see a difference. Like I see that this one is more aloe, you know what I'm saying, more lightweight, less quality, and this one being more rubberish, more of what you expect to be a sole like, you know, with some recoil when you squish it and stuff like that. Something that you find to be more like terrible on this one. It's just terrible. Comparing sizes as well, both being 45. Of course, this depends on the fabrics and stuff like that, but aligning them perfectly, you have a small size difference, and both are 45 or 11 US. So 45 Europe, 11 US. You can see a difference on size, which is something to not expect when you're talking about the same size shoe, which means that you kind of get tricked with this, with the Dhgate. These small things start bugging you out, and then you start having more affection for this kind of stuff compared to this stuff, which makes a difference. On a photo, on feet, probably walking on the street, it's the same. If you have a proper outfit with this, it's gonna look dope. But still, if you're looking for a more detail, because the details count on these things, now I start thinking that details and this kind of quality detail stuff makes a difference on these things. Actually, it really does make a difference after you are in this kind of game for some time. So this definitely is more worth than this, and even though this is like a third of the price, like probably pay 150 for the black or for these, and then you pay 50 for these, and you say, yeah, I can have 3 of these instead of 1 of these. But the thing is, quality wise, you will see the difference with time, and when you start noticing the details and you start being a bit more picky with that, then this makes a difference. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. My name is Raptor, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.